Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Practice today. I'm Ava, and I'm so happy you've joined me. Many learners feel like their English is close to fluent, but still not natural or smooth enough. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. Each day on this channel, we help you build real confidence by practicing natural English, realistic conversations, and daily expressions you can use immediately. Today, we'll practice one of the most powerful methods for improving your speaking: shadowing. Shadowing means listening to natural English and repeating it right away, like an echo. This helps your brain think in English, trains your mouth to speak smoothly, and teaches you the rhythm of real conversations. In this session, you won't just listen, you'll speak with me. I'll say a sentence, pause, and you'll repeat it. We'll start slowly, then increase the pace as you get more comfortable. Let's begin with a simple morning routine. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed for the day. I make a cup of tea. I eat my breakfast. I check my phone. I leave the house. I go to work by bus. I arrive at the office at 9 a.m. I start my work. I reply to emails. I talk to my colleagues. I attend a meeting. I take a short break. I eat lunch. I finish work at 5. I go home. I relax on the sofa. I watch a movie. I cook dinner. I eat with my family. I wash the dishes. I take a shower. I read a book. I go to bed at 10. Now again, more naturally. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I shower. I get dressed. I make tea. I eat breakfast. I check my phone. I head out. I take the bus to work. I reach the office. I work. I answer emails. I talk to coworkers. I join a meeting. I take a break. I eat lunch. I finish work. I go home. I relax. I watch something. I cook dinner. I eat with family. I clean up. I shower. I read. I sleep at 10. Now let's practice real conversations. Hi, how are you? I'm doing well. What about you? I'm okay, just a little tired. Did you sleep late? Yes, I watched a movie. What movie? A comedy. Sounds fun. It was. I laughed a lot. Maybe I'll watch it. You should. Another one. Are you free this weekend? I think so. Why? Want to go to the mall? Sure. What time? Around 3. Sounds good. Bus or car? Let's take the bus. Okay. See you Saturday. See you then. Shadowing these dialogues helps you understand natural flow, tone, and rhythm. Now a short story. Maya is a college student. She lives in San Francisco. Each morning, she wakes up at 6. She goes for a run, showers, eats oatmeal, and takes the subway to class. She studies, meets friends at lunch, and spends afternoons in the library. She returns home, cooks dinner, watches a documentary, and goes to bed early. Short version. Maya studies in San Francisco. She wakes early, runs, eats, attends classes, meets friends, studies, goes home, eats, relaxes, and sleeps. Another story. David is a delivery driver. He wakes at 6:30, showers, eats toast, checks his schedule, grabs his keys, and drives to the warehouse. He loads packages and delivers them all day. He greets customers, takes lunch at a food truck, and finishes at 5. He goes home, showers, eats with his parents, watches TV, and sleeps at 10. Now for quick Q&A shadowing. What time do you wake up? 6:30. Do you eat breakfast? Yes, toast and eggs. What do you do after? Get ready and check my schedule. How do you get to work? I drive. What do you do at work? I deliver packages. Hospital dialogue. Hi, I'm your nurse today. How are you feeling? A bit tired. Did you sleep well? Not really. I had pain. Where? Lower back. I'll tell the doctor. Thanks. Can I have water? Of course. Restaurant dialogue. Hello, table for one, please. Right this way. Can I see the menu? Sure. Ready to order? Chicken salad, please. Anything to drink? Just water. Your food will be ready soon. Thank you. High school story. Leo is 16. He wakes at 7, showers, eats cereal, packs his bag, takes the bus, studies math, science, and English, eats lunch with friends, finishes his classes, goes home, does homework, plays games, eats dinner, studies, and sleeps at 10. Story about Sarah. Sarah is a graphic designer who works from home. She starts at 8, checks emails, works on projects, attends video meetings, takes breaks, finishes at 5, walks in the evening, cooks dinner, watches a show, reads, and sleeps at 10. Online order. Hi, I'd like to place an order. What would you like? A blue t-shirt, medium. Anything else? Black sneakers, size 9, address, 15 Green Lane. Delivery in 3 to 5 days. College student routine, Oliver. Oliver wakes at 6:45, jogs, showers, eats, heads to college, studies economics, eats lunch with classmates, attends biology and literature, studies at the library, goes home, rests, plays guitar, eats dinner, studies again, and sleeps. Encouragement shadowing. You're doing great. Keep practicing daily. Don't fear mistakes. Fluency grows with time. You can speak naturally. Believe in yourself. Shopping dialogue. Hi, can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for a jacket. What size? Medium. Try this. It fits. I'll take it. Card or cash? Card. Directions. Dialogue. Excuse me, where's the post office? Go straight and turn left. Is it far? 10 minutes. Thank you. You're welcome. Bakery story. Zara wakes at 4, walks to the bakery, bakes bread, serves customers, chats with regulars, takes a break, restocks shelves, closes at 3, goes home, rests, cooks dinner, and watches a movie. Restaurant phrases. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I'd like the pasta. Can I have this without onions? May I have the bill? Can I pay with a card? Thank you. Now a detailed story about Chloe. Chloe is 22 and works in marketing. She wakes at 7:15, checks messages, makes coffee, listens to the news, showers, gets dressed, takes the subway, listens to podcasts, works on social media posts, takes coffee breaks, talks with colleagues, eats lunch, attends meetings, writes content, leaves at 5:30, visits a bookstore, goes home, cooks dinner, watches a show, reviews vocabulary, reads, and sleeps at 10:30. Short version. Chloe wakes, checks messages, eats, commutes, works on content, meets coworkers, eats lunch, continues projects, visits a bookstore, goes home, cooks, relaxes, studies, and sleeps. Artistic routine. Javier is a freelance artist. He wakes around 8, makes coffee, checks deadlines, sketches new ideas, listens to jazz, takes lunch, walks, updates clients, practices techniques, finishes at 6, meets friends or watches documentaries, reviews his portfolio, and sleeps at midnight. Hobby dialogue. What do you do in your free time? I enjoy photography. Do you have a favorite place? The park in the morning. Do you take portraits? Not often. What about you? I love reading. Final encouragement. Remember, shadowing improves your listening, speaking, rhythm, and confidence. Do it daily. Don't worry about mistakes, and keep moving forward. Consistency builds fluency. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the next episode. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and have a wonderful day.